Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add our photo to the favorite gallery in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To favorite our photo, we have to go to the gallery. We have our one photo and our one screenshot. So we need to go to the photo, tap it once, and we have a little heart option here. Now our photo will be available in our favorites folder. To unfavorite it, simply go back to a photo and uncheck this little heart option here by tapping it once. And when we go to albums, our favorite albums is now empty. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.